Hi, welcome to Ask Chef Gilles part 33. So last week I showed you how to fillet king cobia fish, and today I will show you how to cook it. So we have a nice slice from the fillet here for king cobia. So king cobia is a bit of like a cod, it's a bit fatty, it's a nice white fish. So we're just going to season it with a little bit of salt on both sides, pepper, and I use white pepper because the fish is white. And we're going to put a little bit butter in a pan, in a cold pan. We're going to put the fish on top, and we're going to put this in the oven. 180 convection heat. So while our fish is cooking, I'll show you what's the condiment going to be for our dish. So we'll have some lentils already cooked with a little bit of chicken stock, or you can put a bit of bacon, beef bacon, with some carrots, some onions. And then we have some baby carrot and some spring onion. And then we're going to make a sauce, and that will be a red wine butter. So how you make a red wine butter? You take a bit of red wine, you do reduction, and then you put a little bit of fish stock, reduction again, and then we're going to monte with butter. So monte with butter is what usually people have a bit difficulties with, but I will show you today. It's quite easy. So to monte a sauce with butter, your liquid needs to be very hot. Then hotter, then easier it will be. As soon as it's hit hot, we can add some fresh butter. The butter, of course, needs to be cold. And then when the butter is half melted, we're going to blend it. I have my small stick blender here. Goes direct in. And then you can see it will turn in a little bit whitish. That's why, meaning your sauce is nice monte already. And that's it. Easy. So now we just need to check the seasoning with salt and pepper, and my sauce will be ready. Consistency should be a little bit like this. A little bit thick, but not too thick. Need a little bit more salt, a bit of cracked pepper, and my sauce is ready. Now we're going to check our fish. We're going to do a bit of what we call basting. So we're going to take a bit of butter and put it on top, so it will stay nice and moist and nice and juicy. So you can see it's already slowly frying, so just take a little bit of the butter and put it on top of the fish. Actually will cook faster, and will also make sure that the fish stays nice and moist and juicy. So for my vegetable, just a little bit butter, a little bit stock, and a small spoon of honey. And so we make it nice and warm. That's what we call glazing. You can see it turns nice and shiny, and it will be very nice. So to check how the fish is cooked, you just take a fork or a needle something, and you push it in. So it should be all the way soft all the way. If it's still a little bit hard in the middle like this, still resistance, we need a little bit more. So depending on the thickness, it will take between 5 to 8 minutes to cook. So now we are about 8 minutes in our time. So I'm going to check one more time. So now it's nice and smooth all the way. So the skin side is already nice and brown, but we can just make it a little bit more crispy on the fire. Small fire, just for the finishing. And while the fish is finishing, we will start plating. So lentils go in the middle. Our spring onions, baby carrots. We have a little bit chervil here. Some flowers. So we have beautiful colors. Put a little bit sauce. 1 spoon left. 1 spoon right. Don't burn the butter. You can see the butter has a nice brown nutty color, and you can smell also the nice taste of the butter. That's what we're looking for. So we put this aside with it. Just leave it 1 minute. Pan roasted king cobia with green lentils, some baby carrots, spring onion, and a red wine beurre blanc. Merci. So I'll show you how it looks inside. You can see it will be nice and juicy. You can see the juice already on the top already. Here you can see. Nice and juicy fish. That's what we're looking for. Nice and flaky.
You can see the sweat here, like juice here.
Yes.